As we know, revenue planning can be complex. There are numerous variables that go into revenue planning depending upon the level of granularity, but it also gives us the ability to look at the data and the analytics from a perspective, particularly if we're looking at data down to a margin or profit view at the customer, product, and or location level. Here we have a great example of that, where we're cross-dimensionally having the capability to plan at the lowest level that your respective needs may require. If we think of this as an automotive environment, as an example, not only are we planning dimensionally by a line of business or location, a respective customer, and a product, but we can also begin to say, if this product is a car, well, typically when I buy a car, I may purchase some warranty contract with that. I may also purchase some sort of service contract with that. Oh, and by the way, there's a accessory list that's 1,500 items long, and I may choose 4 or 5 of those. So we can begin to plan at a granular intersection level while also automating most of our presumptions around our cost of goods sold or any freight items, which is what we're seeing here in the blue icons in the lower right-hand corner, which is signifying that there's logic driving the output. And ultimately, at the end of the day, we begin to see not only by period, but also from an annual perspective, a planned, targeted profit and margin expectation that we would be able to compare against at some combination of the 3 or any of these individual as well. An example of that, maybe we get partway through our year, we want to make some adjustments in these middle 6 months. Only want to do those on those. Currently we're at 92,000. Maybe we think we're going to have a big lift with some new product launch. Maybe we're going to have a 25% increase, and we'll say that's going to be a percentage value. And then once we were to hit save on these, we can begin to see that 92,000 should have an adjustment for us. So the ability to make quick adjustments on the fly, but also rely on the data sets and being able to plan cross-dimensionally is very powerful from a manufacturing perspective.